Hi you guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. I'm always super excited when my favorite seasonal box comes to town. Do you want to know what's in my winter seasonal box? Stay tuned. Okay, you guys, so I just received the winter seasonal box by Oceanista. They do send me this for review, so thank you so much, Oceanista, for sending me my favorite subscription box ever. I tell you guys that all the time, and I'm so glad when I get this box. Not only do I love the ocean, I just love the colors, I love the company, I love everything about this box, you guys. So let's go ahead and dive in and let's see what the winter seasonal box brings us. And that's another thing, this is not a monthly box, it's all seasonal, so only 4 times per year. So I look forward to those 4 days out of the entire year. So when you open it up, that is what it looks like. Beautiful artwork. The entire box is just completely stunning and it is just gorgeous. Salty hair and sandy toes. Hello, sunshine. And then when you open it up, there is the pamphlet that goes over everything that's going to be inside. The theme is Lost City of Atlas. And oh my gosh, that is beautiful. Look at it, there's a mermaid and everything. That is a gorgeous photo. I love it. And then when you open it up, it's like that. It has a mermaid on there as well. So that's what it looks like inside. So this book will go over all of the different information and it'll tell you the pricing and it'll give you a lot more detailed information about each product as well. So now when you are subscribed to Oceanista, before they're curating the boxes, they will send you an email so you can go through and whatever selections you're allowed to choose, you could choose from them. If it's a clothing option, you can put in your size, you can do all of that. This time there was only one option, which was between the shirt. Sometimes there are multiple options, sometimes there's only a few. So this time I will show you what the options would be. There's several different sizes and there was 2 different colors, I do believe. And I'm gonna go ahead and find that first. Sneaky, she sent me both of them to show you guys. I chose this one though, I swear I chose the teal green, I believe. But I got both of them in here. She's so sneaky. I'm telling you, I just love this company, you guys. So I'm just gonna show you both of them so then you can see the 2 different color variations right now. So let's get them opened. These were available in sizes from extra small to 3XL. They also have their curvy mermaid sizes, which they actually have that trademarked. I love the curvy mermaid. It's for the voluptuous size, curvy sizes. I love that, curvy mermaid, that's so cute. For this, if you have a regular size, it would be $54. If you did the plus size, which is the curvy mermaid, it retails for $56. And that would be the price for this one item. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and show you the one that I think I picked because I love teal, you guys. And so it shows, it does have, oh my gosh, it says Oceanista. This is their product. Oh my gosh, they're making their own. It says Oceanista. That is so cool, congratulations. I love seeing this company grow and they're definitely doing the damn thing. This is in collaboration with West Indies Wear. And again, this is valued for $54. It says mixed with pure island love, 100% pure cotton. And then it does give you other information on the back of that as well. So, let's look at this. And it's a sleep shirt. It's Soul of a Mermaid night shirt. So it's like a sleeping night lounging shirt. And the soul of a mermaid. See the whole theme with mermaids? And it's really long. Here's the length. Here's all of it. And how cute. So it has a collar and it's all buttoned all the way down to the front. So here's the first one. Super cute. And then the second one, everything's the same size, same pricing, $54. And this one is actually more of like an ombre color where it goes to a lighter. Let me show you the back. So it goes from the lighter to the dark and then even darker at the bottom, but it has the same print. It's just a different color variation. And then the front is going to look exactly the same. It has the collar and then it has the buttons all the way down it. Super cute. And I love their tags. When Oceanista puts their tags on, they have this little pretty jewel even, and I save these and I use them when I repurpose things or for crafts. So I pay attention to the little details. I don't just throw that away. Here's the shirt option, you guys. Here's the 2 different color variations. And it says, celebrate your inner mermaid with our lightweight, soft and cozy cotton mermaid scale nightshirt in 2 colorways. Every mermaid needs something to keep her going through the winter months, and our mermaid-inspired nightshirt is the perfect piece to remind you of the sea. Designed to be loose-fitted and comfortable and made of soft, pure cotton that breathes, our sleep shirt will keep your ocean-loving soul happy year-round. And that's one thing that I really like, that even though this is more geared towards winter, this is stuff that you can use anytime because it's not specific to a holiday theme. Like, these do not look like Santa's riding on a reindeer or riding a mermaid or whatever, you know? They're stuff that you can use year round when it comes to like the clothing items and stuff like that. This was designed exclusively for Oceanista mermaids. That is super, super cute. Made in India. So let's go to the next item, you guys. Let's go ahead and go with this that says glass and fragile. This is fragile. Let's see what's in here. How beautiful. You guys know that's my favorite color. It says, thank you for supporting our small business, hand poured in California. It says beach linen. Ooh, it smells so good. It's Mermaid Island soy wax candle, hand poured by BB Candles in California. Look at how beautiful. You can kind of see, there we go. It has like little bubbles in there. And then this is pushed in and it has like this twine rope that's put around there. And yeah, that is super cute. I love the color. So that's awesome. Let me find the candle. You guys know I love candles, and oh my gosh, that's gonna look so pretty in my bathroom because of the wonderful colors that are in there. Matches. This is a Mermaid Island Turquoise Bay. This retails for $26. It does say there's an exclusive 20% offer for Oceanista subscribers. Use promo code Oceanista to save 20% from this particular company. BB Candles specialize in hand-poured candles, making our beautiful vessels easily repurposed for a lifetime of enjoyment. And I'm serious, this is such a cute container. I'm definitely going to reuse this when I'm done burning it. Our natural soy wax burns clean without harmful toxins or residue. 100% cotton eco wicks help provide a slower burn time so you can enjoy your candle longer. No adjectives. I don't burn them anymore. I actually purchased this thing from Joann's Crafts, and it's like a light, and you turn on the light and the light warms the candle and it gives you the same aroma, but there's no black smoke, there's no flame, there's nothing like that. So I absolutely love that thing. So I don't even burn them anymore. Now we have same theme, kind of pissed about not being a mermaid. How freaking cute are these socks, you guys? It's Primitives by Kathy. These are super cute. So it says it on both sides, and I love these colors, and it's staying true to this whole theme. That is so cute. So there's these socks right here, and these retail value for $12.95. One size fits most, and these are by Primitives by Kathy. Kind of pissed about not being a mermaid socks. Those are so cute. Now we have is something down in here. And that's one thing, we always kind of get like a jewelry item. It could be earrings, it could be a necklace, but you tend to normally always get a jewelry item. And yes, that, ooh, those are beautiful. Those are gorgeous. And this is designed and handcrafted in California for Oceanista. So this is another exclusive item. It seems that it was made just for us, it sounds like. Let's see. It says these elegant pearl hoop earrings feature genuine peacock freshwater pearls accented with textured silver circle hoops and finished off with sterling silver ear wires. They are very lightweight and perfect for everyday wear. These earrings are finished off with 925 sterling silver ear wires. Genuine sterling silver has a bright appearance, but will need polish to avoid tarnation over time. These are retail value for $34. Oh my gosh, these are gorgeous. These are just beautiful, you guys. Hold up, hold up. Here's what it looks like, just one of them. That's a freshwater pearl. Ooh, 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 ooh. Those are so freaking pretty, you guys. There we go. Those are so cute. I love the dangle. I love that they're not too long. They're so delicate, but just beautiful. And the freshwater pearl, oh my gosh, these are just amazing. I love them. And if you want to check them out, that is the actual website right there who made them. I love it. Oh my gosh, I love them. $34, you guys. So the next item says Earth Harbor Mermaid Milk Nutrient Glow Moisturizer. What? Oh my gosh, this is a whole mermaid theme, even down to the moisturizer. It says mermaid. This is super cool. There's two products from this company. Both of them are Earth Harbor. So this one says Laguna Replenish Body Serum. That is so cool. And they're from Laguna Beach. This box is from Laguna Beach. It says on there. That is so cool. And this is called Laguna. So let's go with this one first because it's the first one that I opened. This retails for $42, you guys. And this is what it looks like. I like that seafoam green color of it too. This is Mermaid Milk, a purely plant-derived replenishing moisture that hydrates and balances skin while giving you a mermaid glow. The lightweight cream formula is packed with superfoods. Wear her under makeup or alone to let the skin breathe. And that is awesome. Does it say like directions? The ritual. After cleansing and toning, massage a small amount onto the skin in an upward circular motion. Apply more as needed based on your skin's present moisture needs. So it kind of has like a slight cucumberish, like very, very slight kind of scent maybe. Let me try it on here. I don't really smell anything out of the package though, but it had a nice, just like a nice clean scent, kind of like a cucumber. That's what I smelled. This right here retails for $29, and this is a replenishing body serum. And there's that beautiful bottle, and I love how it just says Laguna. And that's that. It's a big old dropper. This is a big bottle for a serum, you guys. Like normally they're like half that size. That is huge. That is big. And this is values for $29. Her Synergenic Island Blend promotes feelings of skin, respiration, and intercellular energy while delivering deep nourishment, hydration, and glorious luster to your sweet skin. Enjoy her exquisite aroma with the fresh floral breeze as your skin absorbs this beautiful, non-greasy, nutrient-dense serum. See, I'm not really smelling a floral scent. I mean, if so, it's very, very light, but that feels really nice on my hand. But especially if you use these two together, I bet you it would be really good. So $29 for this big old guy, and then $42 for this. So that's awesome. You have two skincare products, and then there's still something else in here. Oh, no, I found another thing in here too. Okay, so let's go with this. It says, the holidays are more fun at the beach. How cute. And this one says, a few more glasses of wine and I'll see Santa. Just give me a few more glasses, I'll see Santa. This is like a reusable bag. Super cute. And it has a little fish, and looks like they have little Santa hats on them on both sides. That is really cute. This retails for $8. It says a few more glasses of wine tote. A charming touch of Christmas spent at the beach. A daily tote bag featuring incredible age-old block carving and print marking techniques. contain double sides with mermaid drinking wine, octopus with martini glasses, and replicated fish panel trimmed sides. And again, that values for $8, but that is super, super cute. You could even use this as a gift to give somebody for this year, because then you can put their gift down in here and then they can reuse the bag if it's not for you. But that is super cute, and I love that saying right there. Just a few more and I'll see Santa. Now we have another item in here. It says hand painted ornaments. The Nola Watkins collection, Halifax, Virginia. Now this is Mermaid at Heart ornament. Ooh, oh, how cute. Oh my gosh, you guys, look at how cute. This retails for $22. And it talks all about the person who actually paints it. There's all this information. It shows some other things that she's done. That is absolutely gorgeous. So we have an ornament with a mermaid tail. That is super cute, you guys. Oh my gosh, that is too cute. Like, oh my gosh, this box is amazing. So that is everything that came in this box. I will go ahead and add up the total retail value right here. This will be the total retail value for everything in this seasonal box, you guys. And it's only 4 times a year. Holy moly, this is super cute. So quick recap, we have this really cute ornament. Oh, and down inside of there was this card as well. So if you do want to check out the different ornaments that they have, all hand painted, there you go. You have 2 different skincare products. You have these gorgeous earrings. I mean, those are just beautiful. You have a reusable tote bag. You have a gorgeous on the outside and amazing smelling on the inside candle. It just smells like the beach too. Clean linen, soft ocean spray. Like, you have, I'm kind of pissed that I'm not a mermaid, socks. And then you would have one of these. Again, they sent me both to show you guys the 2 different color variations, but you would have one sleep shirt in this set as well. Oh, holy moly, that's a lot of stuff, and yet they knocked it out of the park. Oh my gosh, they do every time, and I never know how every single box keeps getting better and better, but it does. Like, that's just mind-blowing. I just love this box so much, and again, I tell you guys that this is my favorite, and this is why. Everything is just such attention to detail, making sure it all matches with a theme, and it's all about beach, and this is just like a breath of fresh air getting this box. I absolutely adore this box. So if you want to know a little bit more about Oceanista, I'll let you know right about now. I do have a link down below. Follow that link and you can use my code Crafty. That'll save you $10 off your first month's box for new subscribers. The season, again, it's 4 times a year, only 4 times a year. So if you just do it seasonally, box by box, it's $89. If you do an annual subscription, it makes it down to $85, so you save money. And they were also voted the best seasonal box for 2 years in a row. There's a reason for that. And they also do donate as well every month to help cleaning the ocean and ending human trafficking, which is amazing. Again, this is only 4 times. You can use my code, save $10 off. That would make your first box only $79 or $75 if you did the full year subscription. Every box generally will have a completed retail value of $200 or more, and there'll be 6 to 8 different items that you would receive that you can use on land or sea. Most of the items are exclusive to Oceanista, and we curate your box and theme with the ocean lover, vacationer, and beach home decorator in mind. Who's this box for? The sophisticated woman who loves the beach lifestyle and appreciates unique pieces that you won't find in any other beach subscription. If you cherish artisan goods and personalized experience, you'll love the Oceanista subscription box, and I absolutely do. You can also purchase individual items by themselves without doing a subscription. If you wanted to just check out their site, they have individual items that you can purchase from them as well. Again, everything will be linked down below. You can definitely check them out. Thank you guys so much for tuning in and watching this video. Please comment down below. Let me know, what did you think of this box? I am loving every single item. Every single item in this box, yet again, I love. I can't even say I have a favorite because, I mean, these pearl earrings are gorgeous. I love the candle. I love skincare. The socks are super cute. And I like the night sleeping shirt. So this whole box is amazing. So definitely comment down below. Your positive interaction means the world, and I greatly do appreciate it, as I greatly appreciate every single one of you guys. So until next time, you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye. Crafty crew, out.